How to block someone that already blocked you on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to block someone that already blocked you on Instagram. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in and sign in to the particular account. And with the help of the search icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, tap on the search bar and type in their username. Make sure you know their correct username. As you can see that we are not being able to see their profile at top of the screen. That means they have blocked us on Instagram. So in order to block them back again, tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and then tap block button. Tap block again and this user will be blocked on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.